Life is not about waiting. Life is about creating. Do not wait for fate. Create your own destiny. Look around you. See the signs. The universe speaks. Listen to its whispers. They guide you. They show you the way. When you stand beneath the vast expanse of the night sky, you can't help but feel a sense of wonder and awe. The stars, like tiny beacons of light, have been guiding humanity for millennia. They are not just distant suns, they are storytellers, each with a tale to tell. The constellations, those patterns we trace in the sky, are like ancient maps, guiding us through the journey of life. Imagine the countless generations before us who have looked up at the same stars, seeking answers, inspiration, and solace. The universe has always been there, a silent companion, offering its wisdom to those who are willing to listen. It's in the gentle rustle of the leaves, the rhythmic crashing of the waves, and the soft glow of the moon. These are the whispers of the universe, subtle yet profound. As you gaze at the stars, take a moment to truly listen. Close your eyes and feel the connection to something greater than yourself. The universe is alive, and it communicates with us in ways that are both mysterious and beautiful. It's in the synchronicities we experience, the dreams that linger in our minds, and the gut feelings that guide our decisions. Consider the times when you felt a sudden urge to take a different path, only to discover something wonderful or avoid a potential mishap. These are not mere coincidences. They are the universe's way of guiding you. It's as if the cosmos has a plan, a grand design that we are all a part of. By tuning into these subtle signals, we can align ourselves with this greater purpose. The universe speaks to us through nature, through the people we meet, and through the experiences we have. It's in the smile of a stranger, the warmth of the sun on your face, and the gentle breeze that caresses your skin. These moments, though fleeting, are reminders that we are never truly alone. We are connected to everything around us, and everything around us is connected to us. Take a moment each day to pause and reflect. Look for the signs, the little nudges that the universe gives you. They might come in the form of a song that plays at just the right moment, a book that falls off the shelf, or a chance encounter that changes your perspective. These are the whispers of the universe, guiding you towards your true path. In the hustle and bustle of daily life, it's easy to overlook these signs. We get caught up in our routines, our worries, and our plans. But if we take a step back and open our hearts and minds, we can hear the universe speaking to us. It's a gentle reminder that we are part of something much larger, something infinitely wise and compassionate. So the next time you find yourself under the night sky, take a deep breath and listen. Listen to the whispers of the universe. They are there to guide you, to show you the way. Trust in this ancient wisdom and let it lead you on your journey. The universe is always speaking. All you have to do is listen. Trust your intuition, find your center. Close your eyes, breathe deeply. Meditation brings peace. Peace brings clarity. Clarity guides your actions. Be still. Find calmness within. In the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, we often forget to take a moment for ourselves. The constant noise, the endless to-do lists, and the myriad of responsibilities can leave us feeling overwhelmed and disconnected from our true selves. But there is a simple practice that can help us reconnect and find a sense of inner peace. Meditation. Imagine yourself in a quiet room, free from distractions. You sit comfortably, your back straight, and your hands resting gently on your lap. You close your eyes and take a deep breath in, feeling the air fill your lungs. As you exhale, you let go of any tension or stress you may be holding on to. With each breath, you feel yourself becoming more relaxed, more at ease. Meditation is not about emptying your mind or forcing yourself to think a certain way. It is about being present in the moment, observing your thoughts without judgment, and allowing yourself to simply be. As you continue to breathe deeply, you may notice thoughts coming and going. Some may be pleasant, others may be troubling. But instead of getting caught up in them, you simply acknowledge them and let them pass, like clouds drifting across the sky. With each passing moment, you feel a sense of peace washing over you. This peace brings clarity, allowing you to see things more clearly and make better decisions. When your mind is calm and clear, you are better able to navigate the challenges of life with grace and ease. Meditation is a practice that can be done anywhere, at any time. You don't need any special equipment or a specific place to meditate. All you need is a few minutes of quiet time and a willingness to be still. Whether you are at home, at work, or even in a busy public place, you can take a moment to close your eyes, breathe deeply, and find that inner calm. As you continue to practice meditation, you may find that it becomes easier to access that sense of peace and clarity, even in the midst of chaos. You may notice that you are more patient, more focused, and more in tune with your true self. The benefits of meditation extend beyond the time you spend meditating. They ripple out into every aspect of your life, helping you to live more mindfully and with greater intention. So, take a moment now to close your eyes. Breathe deeply. Allow yourself to be still. Find that calmness within, and carry that sense of peace with you as you go about your day. Remember, inner peace is always within reach. All you have to do is take a moment to find it. Thoughts and feelings are powerful. Choose them wisely. Negative thoughts create obstacles. Positive thoughts build bridges. Choose love. Choose joy. You are powerful. You are a creator. Your reality is your canvas. Paint it with peace. Paint it with love. Imagine the dawn of a new day, the sun rising over the horizon, casting its golden light upon the world. This is your moment, your opportunity to create something beautiful. Just as an artist dips their brush into a palette of colors, you too have the power to choose the hues of your life. Each decision, each thought, each action is a stroke on the canvas of your existence. Consider a garden, where every flower, every plant is a testament to the care and intention of the gardener. You are the gardener of your life. Plant seeds of kindness, water them with compassion, and watch as your world blossoms into a paradise of your own making. In moments of stillness, when you connect with the essence of who you are, you tap into an infinite well of creativity and power. It is in these moments that you realize the true extent of your potential. Even in the midst of chaos, you have the ability to create order and harmony. Your thoughts shape your reality. Choose thoughts that uplift, inspire, and bring joy. Acts of kindness, no matter how small, are powerful strokes on the canvas of life. They create ripples that extend far beyond the initial act, touching lives in ways you may never fully comprehend. Relationships are the threads that weave the fabric of our lives. Nurture them with love, understanding, and patience. In doing so, you create a tapestry rich with meaning and connection. Reflect on your journey. Each chapter of your life is a story waiting to be told. Embrace the lessons, celebrate the victories, and learn from the challenges. The horizon is limitless, just like your potential. Dream big, take bold steps, and trust in your ability to create a life that is not only fulfilling, but also inspiring to others. Remember, you are powerful. You are a creator. Your reality is your canvas. Paint it with peace. Paint it with love. And as you do, watch as the universe responds in kind, reflecting back the beauty you have brought into existence. The universe will respond. It will align with your energy. Shine your light, transform your world,